Hi teacher friend, I want to thank you for purchasing my resource, Decodable Books. I really hope that your students will find so much success applying their phonics knowledge into the controlled text to help them be more confident and capable readers. I have a short video here for you today just to show you really quickly how easy it will be for you to put these books together. When designing the books, I was thinking about how could I save you time? How could I make this easy for you and still make the books so valuable for you and your students? So I have just printed out one decodable book. Again, they're in color and in black and white, so you're gonna pick whichever version is gonna work better for you. And I would actually suggest that you print them out and see if you can find a parent volunteer who would be willing to do this for you at home. So what you're going to do is you're just going to print out the 4 pages of the book, and you can see this is the back cover, this is the front cover, and this is the back cover, and so then all of the pages are already in order here. So since I've printed them out, I'm just going to simply just put them in a nice stack, fold them in half, exactly in half like this. And so now when I have the 4 sheets in half, I'm just going to take this out. There's no double-sided, nothing that you have to do in your printer. This is going to become your cover, and then these pages are going to become the inside of the book. So now all I have to do is take these books they're overlapped, and I put them in order. So you can see the page numbers are in the corner here. They're all in order right here, pushing them nice together. You're gonna notice that the fold is on the outside edge. I've intentionally done that because then it's like a true book for your students. And you're gonna staple on the part right here where the pages come together. Also notice that I have added an extra margin here, so when you staple the book, that the student, you're not covering any of the text. So all you simply do now is take this cover, pop it inside, and then staple right here. And now you have your decodable text ready to go. Okay, I hope this is super helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye for now.